Hey everyone, James and Mark here. Today we're super excited. We've been invited by Descanso restaurant here in Costa Mesa, a local favorite that specializes in tacos and La Plancha style cooking. Do you know what La Plancha is?
That's like a tabletop grill, right?
Yeah, so if you ever been to like Benihana, you know that grill top? They cook all of the things that you need for your tacos and quesadillas. So they set aside 2 spots in the corner of the restaurant, so we're gonna take you guys along and we're gonna enjoy today.
All right, let's go.
We just got seated at the taco bar in the corner, and I think both me and Mark are kind of thirsty right now. So what are you thinking about drinking today?
Oh my gosh, that margarita looks so good. Which one?
Bad Hombre?
Is good.
Spicy.
You can choose from your whatever.
The Bad
chili.
Hombre.
Oh.
I'm gonna do that one then, yeah. You know, I'm gonna have the Bad Hombre.
Yes, I'm still.
I'll do the same. Yeah. Do the CHORIQUESO VERDE.
Oh my god, we just ordered.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
We haven't been out to Costa Mesa in a long time. It took us about 25 minutes to get here. You might remember we did a video on the OC Fair not too long ago, and that's actually right down the street. So,
Oh yeah.
not too far, and actually our friends live like right around the corner, so maybe we should come back here for happy hour. I heard that they do happy hour Monday through Friday, 3 to 6.
yeah.
So maybe on one of those days we need to come out and get a margarita right after work.
Bet it gets really crowded too,
It gets
right?
really busy,
Yeah.
but it comes in waves.
So basically you're telling us to Uber here.
Yes. Really recommend that.
All right, so we're gonna choose 2 tacos each, and I already know one taco I'm gonna get for sure. Can you guess? It has my name written all over it.
Felipe.
I mean, not the name of a man. No, that's actually a good idea too. I'm definitely gonna get the relleno.
Oh, okay.
In a
okay.
taco form? Have I ever had that? I see one that has 2 chili peppers next to it. That seems like something you might get, the volcano taco.
I know, I might get that one.
What do you think?
I'll get the volcano and the Don Chingon.
Don Chingon. Got it. Oh, it has chamoy in it.
Interesting. That's the chamoy sauce?
It feels like it's gonna be spicy, and then it kind of like,
No, it's very vibrant.
yeah. Tacos, we're gonna do 1 Felipe,
Ooh, my favorite.
1 Don Chingon,
One, okay.
1 relleno,
Okay.
and 1 volcano.
So do you like spicy?
Yes, we love spicy.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Because the salsa and volcano is spicy.
VERDE.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
And then these are going to be flour tortilla.
Great.
Enjoy, guys.
So our first appetizer just came out. We got the CHORIQUESO VERDE.
It looks so pretty. Oh my gosh.
Oh, great, thank you. First things first, let's see how bad this Bad Hombre is.
More.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh yeah.
Oh, te amo, hombre.
I was waiting to see how long it would take before Mark starts speaking Spanish. He can't control himself.
Oh, I mean, with the hombre like this, I'll speak Spanish to you all you want. Okay, let's try the appetizer.
Yeah, okay.
What makes it green?
Probably chilies, I would imagine. Oh, actually, it's green chorizo. How is it? You're speechless.
Oh my god, it's so good. It is a chorizo. They told us it's green because they added serrano pepper and other green vegetables into the chorizo sausage to make it green, but it tastes like chorizo. Oh, so good.
It's perfect with the margarita. So this is Tanya. She's taking care of us today. Been told that there might be some fire coming up soon.
Fuego.
Flambe Felipe.
Oh gosh.
Whoa! Oh my gosh.
Are my eyebrows still good? Right? I was leaning in a little too close.
Oh, that's the ribeye.
Yeah, that's really good. And they're playing Selena. Like, I think we're gonna come back next week already. That must be the chili relleno right there. Oh my gosh. It's literally a chili relleno in a taco. Oh, wow.
Relleno and the Felipe.
Perfect.
And this is the volcano and the Don Chingon.
Excellent. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Oh my god, they look so great.
It's so pretty.
Our tacos have just gotten here. They look so delicious. Straight from the grill, so we better dig into these before.
Okay, so what did you get?
Get relleno taco, and then this one is Felipe, which I think is a ribeye steak. And what was really drew me to it was that there was oyster mushrooms in this. And I was like, oh, I don't think I've had that in a taco before.
Well, my other boyfriend's name is Felipe.
Oh, good. Good to know, good to know. Did not know you had a Sancho.
Well, I got the dough.
I know what that means. I know what that means.
Another tequila shot here. I got the Don Chingon and the volcano.
Oh, wow.
This one's double tortilla.
Yeah, extra coverage.
Okay.
God, the tortilla is really good. There's that like crispy exterior, but then the chili relleno, it has all that cheese dripping out right now. Marty's not even coming up for air. Girl, breathe. Big Phil called, she said breathe.
That is really good taco.
Let's switch. Take this.
One good thing about being a married couple is that we get
It's the best part.
we get to share our food, so
Yeah.
we are even more variety, huh? This is good. This is good too.
You know it's good when you like have to take the taco to dip back all the things that fell out of it.
I don't know if it's because like Tanya just cooked it from the plancha that everything tastes so fresh. Really, literally. You know what? Who cares about farm to table? It's all about grill to mouth.
All right, I'm digging into my next taco. She a little thick. She like me in my suit from my headshot. Oh my god.
This is the Felipe.
Yeah, let's see if I can get Felipe in my mouth. The spice is like tickling like the insides of my nose right now.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna eat the volcano next. So you're talking about spices. This had 2 chili pepper next to the
Let's see
name
how
on the
spicy it
menu.
is.
Well, this one's double tortilla. I wonder why. Oh,
my
this
gosh.
is heavy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
I feel like he needs like a privacy. It's good. Is there a kick to it? Yeah. Oh, wonderful. Thank you. Oh.
The perfect kick to it. And not, you know what? If you're not used to spicy, this could be spicy, but for me, this is perfect.
Oh, okay.
Perfect amount of heat.
Because I still have salsa verde.
Girl, who needs a room now? Actually, that's my favorite so far. I really like it.
I always love tacos that have pickled onions on it. It's my favorite part.
Yeah, and it helps with the heat too, you know? Really brightens it up.
Ooh, I just ate a spicy part though. There's that volcano. She about to erupt.
I warned you.
Tanya, you gotta put a label on this next time.
You're a little bit red right now.
I
have to
know.
say.
I'm like Christmas all like early already.
Oh, there's more food.
Alright, there were tortillas for the Alambres.
Oh, wonderful.
And then your enchilada stick and
Great.
Oh,
Thank you.
So Alambre is kind of like a bougie fajita.
A bougie fajita. I totally get what you're saying. This does look like a bougie
Yes, and then,
fajita.
so this on the top, this is what I like to call our cheese top hat. So it's our Descanso blend that we fry on the plancha, flip it over and top it with that. Yes, and this is the enfrijoladas de camarones.
Excellent.
it just looks so fun. Like all their food looks so pretty and fun. And the vibe of this restaurant.
I'm digging
I
the
mean,
vibes.
Like from where we're sitting, we have a good view of the bar, a full bar, good view of the restaurant, the dining room.
It's also a beautiful day out, so if you want to like do outdoor seating, they have a whole patio for that. Really close to the beach, so it's kind of cool. Mark's favorite corn is non-messy corn, so this is going to be perfect.
I'm so glad that we ordered so much food because that means I might be able to do another margarita.
All right, I'm going in for the elote. How about you?
Sure.
Get a good heaping bite. Cheers.
Have a good rest of the weekend, okay? Drive safely, okay?
It's because they grilled the corn. You get that grilled flavor from the corn. It's really coming through. It's sweet. There's a little salty. I think there's a little cotija cheese in here, if I'm not mistaken. Could be wrong.
For sure, this is not canned corn.
Oh no,
It's
I don't
not
think they have
canned.
anything. They don't even have a can opener here. They don't.
No.
So, I've been craving corn too. On the ride here, I was telling Mark, because I'm like on episode 5 of Squid Games, no spoilers, but they were eating corn in one of the episodes and I was like, I want corn. So I mean their corn was not dressed up like this.
No. All right, let's try the Alambre.
Alhambra. You know, Alambres sounds like a city in LA. Like Alhambra, Alambre. Here, I'll give you half of one. And I'm just living for this top layer of cheese, which I think was grilled directly on the plancha, and then they just put it on top. You know, I'm a big fan of just any kind of like.
They're really making the plancha chef work.
Yeah.
Oh, the cheese has a good crust to it.
Yeah.
For sure, the top layer cheese
That's what makes this.
steals the show. It's if you could imagine that grilled cheese, but that burnt layer.
Yes.
That's what this is.
So good. Our next dish Tanya recommended, it looks like a layer of rice, beans, and seafood. Hasn't done us wrong yet, so all her recommendations have been spot on. Let's give this a try.
So this is with frijoles and shrimp.
Shrimp, yeah. Oh, there it is. They're hiding. Oh yeah. That sauce.
This sauce is good.
Wow. What is that?
What sauce is this?
Here's the thing. We've ordered like, I don't know, 7 different things and everything has had its unique flair. They all came to the party like ready to show off its unique characteristics.
The sauce has a really deep and kind of smoky flavor, right? The sauce is good.
Yeah.
Like I said, you wouldn't think that beans and shrimp would
No.
work, but the way we make the mole is totally worth
It's
it.
mole.
Yes.
That's what it is.
It's a bean mole.
Oh!
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Call it frijole mole.
I want to get one of those plancha rooms. That's what I want to do.
A private room, yeah.
Private room for 10 or 12 of our friends and we go buck wild in there.
Are you ready for tequila night?
Actually, here's the truth, okay?
What?
I'm much better at tequila than you are.
At least I drink my tequila.
I drink my tequila.
I'm here, so I really enjoyed it.
Very good. Hi, Gloria. Mariana?
So we're just gonna stare at each other for the rest of this video, I guess.
James does drink it, but when he doesn't drink it, he'll pretend to drink. That's good. That's when James is really smart.
You don't look great the next day, and then that's when you guys get those videos where Mark doesn't show up.
Well, I'm here. My sunglasses are not on, so I'm feeling good. Where's the tequila right now?
Just wait till tomorrow, honey. Where's Felipe? All right, we're gonna enjoy the rest of our meal. If you guys want more information on Descanso, check out the link down below in our description, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.